Most people think rich people become wealthy because they got lucky, or because they had one big income stream that exploded overnight. But the truth is very different. Rich people don't rely on one source of money. They build multiple income streams, each one growing quietly in the background until their money works harder than they do. Today, I'll show you the 7 income streams wealthy people use that most people ignore, and how you can start building them even if you're starting with little. 1. Active income, job, or business. This is your main income, your job, your freelance work, or your business. Rich people treat active income as the fuel for everything else. They don't stay in it forever, but they use it to start the next 6 income streams. The rule is simple. Earn actively gives invest passively. 2. Investments in stocks and index funds. The rich don't just save money, they multiply it. And the simplest way to do this is investing in broad index funds. You don't need luck. You don't need to predict markets. You just need time. Consistency. Every wealthy person has money growing in the background, even while they sleep. 3. Real estate. Real estate is one of the oldest wealth-building tools. Not because it makes you rich fast, but because it gives you cash flow appreciation tax advantage. Sand leverage. Rich people use these for things combined to build long-term stability and passive income. 4. Online businesses. This is where modern wealth is created. Digital products, affiliate marketing, paid newsletters, content creation, SaaS, online courses. These businesses scale fast because they don't require stores, employees, or physical products. Online business is one of the fastest ways to build an additional income stream, and anyone can start. 5. Personal brand. A personal brand is not about being famous, it's about being trusted, and trust creates money. Rich people use their personal brand to launch books, online programs, speaking gigs, partnership, ticket clients. A personal brand is an income stream that grows every year, and it compounds. 6. Skills-based income. Rich people constantly upgrade their skills. Why? Because skills turn into money. COPYWRITING. Sales, marketing, coding, YouTube editing. Every new skill becomes another income stream, or increases the value of every existing one. Poor people stop learning. Rich people never do. 7. Crypto and emerging assets. Crypto isn't about gambling. Wealthy people use it the same way they use early-stage investments. Small percentage, long-term mindset. While everyone else is chasing hype, wealthy people build positions slowly, carefully, and over years. If you want to become rich, don't chase the lottery mindset. Don't rely on one big thing. Instead, build multiple streams and let each one grow quietly while you focus on the long term. Start with one, then add another, then another. In 5 to 10 years, you won't even recognize your life. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe and keep going. Your wealthy version is already waiting for you.